Ever wondered how to make AI text sound more like it was written by a person? Today we're going to show you how to do just that using a tool called BypassGPT. First up, we grab some text from ChatGPT. Just select the text you want and copy it. Now let's make some magic with BypassGPT. We paste our AI text here and click transform, wait for it, and done. Our text has been given a human touch. And that's how you make AI text sound like it was written by a human. With Bypass GPT, you can blend the best of both worlds. Let's recap the journey we've taken today. First, we selected a block of text from ChatGPT, a text that's originally marked 100% AI generated. We then moved this text into an AI detection tool to confirm its digital origins. Next, we put the text through Bypass GPT, which transformed it, giving it a human-like quality. To verify our success, we returned to the AI detection tool, and indeed, the text now registered as 99% human. To wrap up, let's take a quick look at the subscription plans available for you. Each plan is designed to fit your needs and make sure you get the best out of Bypass GPT. Starting with the basic plan, at $8 a month, you get 5,000 words. It's perfect for casual users who need to humanize up to 500 words per input. You'll enjoy fast mode and undetectable rewriting, ensuring your outputs are error-free and unique. Next up is the Pro plan. For $12 a month, it boosts your word limit to 30,000 words. This plan lets you humanize double the words per input. That's 1,000 words at a time. It includes all the features of the basic plan and adds creative and enhanced modes for more versatility in your writing. For the power users out there, the unlimited plan is your best bet. At $30 a month, you can humanize unlimited words. It encompasses all the features of the Pro plan and goes even further. You can remove ChatGPT watermarks and bypass all AI detectors, making it the ultimate choice for those who need the full range of capability. Choose the plan that suits your journey, whether it's a basic touch-up or a full-scale rewrite. Bypass GPT has got you covered. Upgrade today and humanize your text seamlessly.